Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to use gift cards to pay on booking.com. Okay, it's really simple. The first thing we have to do is basically just go right into our cart after opening the app and choosing what we want to buy. Then afterwards what we have to do is click checkout right here, and after a short loading screen we will be led to the page where we can just select our payment method. And what we have to do here is basically just click gift card, and basically just here type the card number and the pin, and like that you will be able to basically use the gift card to pay for your item or items. Keep in mind that if the gift card amount is smaller than the amount you are paying, you will have to supply the rest of the money with a credit card or with another payment method. Okay, thank you guys for watching today's tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave them on the comment section down below, and if not, I'll see you next time. See ya!